Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another cooking video, and today we are going to make KFC chicken. It's my first time making this, lakini najiaminia. So let's get straight into the video. So I have my chicken here. I'll only be using the drumsticks and the wing because I don't want to mess with all the chicken because it's my first time trying this. So I'll only use 2 pieces. And I have my garlic and ginger here. Then I have my soy sauce, dark soy sauce, salt, garlic powder, ginger, turmeric, paprika, and black pepper. And I also have wheat flour, and I'll have water and oil. And so I chose to use water and not eggs. Yeah, but you can use any, you can use whatever you want. So I'm cutting the drumstick na haikatiki. Kisu imekataa.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how.
So I have marinated the chicken. Nimeweka garlic, ginger and the spices that I showed you. And then kwa unga pia nimeweka the powder spices. And then this is the water that I'll be using. So I'm going to leave the chicken for a while. Ndo tuanze kupika. For the spices to ingia ndani. Yes. So I'll leave it for a while, and I'm only cooking these 2 pieces. Just sitaki kurisk. I don't want to risk because it's my first time. So let's give it time to marinate, and then we'll proceed. And so 30 minutes later, our chicken is ready. Ime marinate vizuri. The aroma also is good. So we're going to dip it in the flour, in the unga, like that. And then you're going to dip it in water. Kidogo tu hivyo. Then again in the flour. The flour is for the coating. Hivyo tu. Make sure you shake off the excess flour, and then tunaiweka hivyo kando. We wait to fry it. We do the same on this other piece. So I have my 2 pieces here. You can see it's already coated. I have my oil here. I'm not going to use a lot of oil because the chicken is only 2 pieces, 1 drumstick and 1 wing. So we're going to wait for the oil to get hot and then to pick it. So for me to know if the oil is hot, I put the back of our cooking stick, and then nikiona hizo bubbles, I'll know it's already ready. It's ready. And then now we're going to put our chicken. We're going to let it cook on one side and on medium heat for like 2 to 5 minutes, and then we'll turn. We'll let it cook on the other side. So I'm cooking it on medium heat for like 3 to 5 minutes or 2 to 5 minutes. Ikiva the other side, then we turn. So the other side is ready, and now we're going to turn it, even this other side also. Like that. We're also going to leave it for like 3 or 2 to 5 minutes either, and then it will be ready to eat. It's almost ready, guys. Look at that. Look at that. I can already tell it's sweet. Here we go. We're done cooking, and now it's time to taste. The time that I've been waiting for so long. So let's taste and see if it's a 10 over 10 or 1 over 10. Guys, I wish ningepika hivi yote. It's so sweet. Na ni moto. Lakini it's so sweet, guys. The salt hata hakuna kuongeza. Look at that. Look at that.